Very good morning, everyone. My respectable principal, teachers, and my dear friends, brothers and sisters who are present here, please take up my salute and cordial love, respectively. Today, we all are here to celebrate a very special day, Teachers' Day. The Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in our country. This is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India. He was an outstanding scholar and teacher. Our teachers are like guiding light. They teach us new things every day, not just from books, but also about life. They also teach us to be kind, honest, and hardworking. Our teacher is like a gardener who takes care of saplings. Just like the gardener waters and protects the young plants, in the same way, our teachers nurture our minds and hearts. They always encourage us to be good and great in life. We should always respect our teachers and follow their advice. Happy Teachers' Day to all our wonderful teachers. Saying this, I end my brief speech. Thank you so much.